What's going on? It's Brian Gubernick with Patriot Property Management. I'm alongside my partner, Cassie McClenahan, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to know if your current property manager is doing a good job. So let's say you have an investment property and you happen to have a property manager that you're already engaged with. So you're not managing it yourself, you're working through a property manager. Cassie, how do you know if that property manager is actually doing a good job for you?
Well, ask yourself these questions. Are you getting a regular monthly report of your financials? Are you getting responses to emails and text messages within 24 hours? Is rent getting collected and are you getting paid every month? Are your repairs done promptly? Are you hearing about potential problems? Did the tenant find their way to you because they were unheard somewhere else?
Yeah, the way I like to think about this is if I'm looking at property managers or any business I'm engaged with for that matter, I think about the amount of noise in my life. Is that volume knob turned up or is it turned down because that vendor or that property manager in this case is protecting me from it? I think you have a good property manager if there is very low volume there. If those answers, Cassie, to the questions you were asking around monthly reports and getting responses quickly and is rent being collected, if those answers are fuzzy at all, what do you think about that?
Yeah, so a good property manager will be proactive, transparent, keep you informed, let you know what's going on if there's a problem, right? And sometimes they say, like, well, I haven't heard from anybody. Well, if the rent got paid and you didn't see any repairs being paid, then probably we're all good. But sometimes there is a problem, and we definitely will reach out when there is so that we can, again, minimize the problem, take care of the tenant, keep your property rented.
Yeah, if you're the property owner and you ever feel that you're guessing, you don't know what's going on and you're just guessing, odds are you're already at risk. At Patriot Property Management, we make certain that that's never going to be a challenge with you. If you want to talk about your property and how we can assist, please reach out today. Thank you.